Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh claims that the Union government will not tolerate Masrat Alam's anti-national acts.
हमारी जम्मू कश्मीर के मुख्यमंत्री जी से बात हुई और उनसे मैंने इस संबंध में प्रभावी कदम उठाने के लिए कहा है, प्रभावी कार्रवाई करने के लिए मैंने उनसे अनुरोध किया है।
मसरत आलम के मामले में आज हुआ है और मसरत आलम को कोई सजा मिल सकता है जम्मू कश्मीर प्रशासन?
मालूम नहीं, अकॉर्डिंग टू लॉ विल टेक इट्स ओन कोर्स।
तो सुबह मैंने जब टीवी न्यूज़ देखी तब मुझे पता चला कि कोई ऐसा कोई मसला हुआ है, कोई हैदरपुरा में शायद श्रीनगर में काम पे हुआ, कोई बशर ने कोई पाकिस्तान का झंडा जलाया। मैंने टीवी से ये न्यूज़ देखी कल, लेकिन मेरे को पक्का नहीं पता था। मैंने अभी तो चलो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया से पता चला, लेकिन न्यूज़पेपर तो मैंने पढ़े नहीं है। तो उसके बाद मैं सुबह उठ कर इस प्रोग्राम में आ गया। लेकिन जो भी कार्रवाई होगी, जो भी उसके ऊपर कार्रवाई जो चाहेगी, जो FIR लगी है, जो भी मुनासिब होगा वो हमारी गवर्नमेंट करेगी।
आप चिंता ना करें, भारत की जनता कभी भी भारत के विरोधियों को बर्दाश्त नहीं करेगी, न सरकार बर्दाश्त करेगी, न भारत की जनता बर्दाश्त।
So Rajnath Singh, the Union Home Minister, has spoken to the Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister. The question remains, is the Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister even listening to Rajnath Singh, or has Rajnath Singh's statement just been made for the media in Delhi? I want to bring in Brijesh Pandey for more on this. I also want to bring in Headlines Today, Shuja ul Haq for more from Srinagar. And Shuja, any action being contemplated against this separatist leader who was quoting Hafiz Mohammad Saeed, India's most wanted terrorist, and saying Hafiz Saeed ka kya पैगाम, Kashmir banega Pakistan, despite that no action against him?
Well, Gaurav, on the ground there seems to be no action. Certainly it has been more than 24 hours and an FIR has been lodged not only against him but also against Gilani and one more leader of the Gilani faction of Hurriyat Conference. But so far there hasn't been any action in terms of whether the state government wants to arrest these people on these cases or not. Let's just remember, this is not the only FIR that these people will have against them. So, assuming that the state government wants to carry on with it and continue with the legal process or go on with the procedure, that is also not something which can be completely denied. But speaking about the facts, as of now, there has been no step taken on the arrest of either Masrat Alam, Gilani, or any other leaders who were present yesterday in that rally.
I want to quickly also bring in Brijesh Pandey on this. Brijesh, Rajnath Singh tells Mufti Mohammad Saeed action should be taken. Shuja ul Haq tells us more than 24 hours later, no action has been taken. What will the Union Home Ministry do? Just keep requesting for action, or can the Union Home Ministry, is the Union Home Ministry seeking a legal opinion? Because this is sedition when somebody in Jammu and Kashmir quotes Hafiz Mohammad Saeed and says Jeeve Pakistan, and Kashmir what they want in Kashmir is Kashmir banega Pakistan.
Well, the Home Minister is extremely aware of the fact that these kind of instances are political minefield as far as the BJP is concerned, and he has conveyed his desire in extreme words to Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Mufti Mohammad Saeed. But Gaurav, the BJP is in partnership with the PDP there in Jammu and Kashmir, and I think most of the BJP leaders and ministers would definitely try to talk to Jammu Kashmir Chief Minister Mufti Mohammad Saeed and would also want him to take action against Masrat Alam, because this flies in the face of the kind of ideology BJP took when it contested election in Jammu and Kashmir, and they took an extremely ultra-nationalist stance, and these kind of instances are flying in the face of the kind of coalition government which they are running there in Jammu and Kashmir. So politically it's very dangerous for BJP, and they would definitely prod upon the Chief Minister to take action against Masrat Alam and arrest him, so that they can send a message to their constituency that BJP will not allow these kind of activities to happen in the valley.
So any action on the part of the BJP within the state BJP, or any direction from the central BJP to the state BJP?
Well, as of now, no direction has been given to state BJP. But I think, I mean, if this situation is allowed to linger on for, I think, 12 or 24 hours more, then definitely this will put BJP in an extremely embarrassing situation. And the BJP, the state BJP as well as the central BJP will then can then contemplate taking some sort of a serious action against their ally PDP in Jammu and Kashmir. But I think talks are on between Mufti Mohammad Saeed and other BJP leaders in Jammu and Kashmir, and they will arrive at some sort of an amicable solution in vis-a-vis this particular incident. Arrest of Masrat Alam, as what we have been told by Home Ministry sources, is that is pretty imminent, and sooner or later he is going to be arrested. Gaurav?
Okay, nobody should be able to challenge the supremacy of India when it comes to Jammu and Kashmir. Keep tracking that story, gentlemen. I will come back to you for more. These are pictures that have angered an entire nation. Separatist leader Syed Ali Shah Gilani was in Delhi, and the question that is being asked, who pays for Syed Ali Shah Gilani's treatment in Delhi? Is it the Indian taxpayer? How can they live in India and chant Pakistan, pro-Pakistan slogans? And why is the government so weak, whether it's in Jammu and Kashmir or in Delhi, that this government fails to take action against separatist leaders like Masrat Alam? For a moment, I want you to listen in to what Masrat Alam was ranting in Jammu and Kashmir in Srinagar yesterday.